Happy morning, children. Practice set 3.1, question number 1. State whether the given algebraic expressions are polynomials. Justify. So it's been asked. Now here the algebraic expressions are given to you, and you have to decide whether it's a polynomial or not. We have already discussed the concept of polynomial. What is the meaning of a polynomial? Here, if in an algebraic expression, if the powers of the variables are whole numbers, then that algebraic expression is known as polynomial. We have discussed. And I hope you know the meaning of whole numbers. Whole numbers are, which is the smallest whole number? 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, they are all whole numbers. So if the powers of the variable are whole numbers, then the given algebraic expression can be called as a whole number. So now if you see the first example give asked is here y plus 1 by y. Now y plus 1 by y is like this. See, you all have studied laws of indices. What it says, 1 upon a raised to m, this is one of the laws, is equal to a raised to minus m. Okay, so if I take this variable, here variable is y, if I am going to write one more step, y plus here the power here 1 upon y raised to 1. If I am going to take it in the numerator, I will get y raised to minus 1. And tell me, powers of the variable y should be whole numbers. Minus 1 is a whole number? No, it is not a whole number. Therefore, this algebraic expression, it's an algebraic expression, but it is not a polynomial because powers of the variable is not a whole number. So we have to justify, means you have to give reason. If yes, it is a polynomial, yes, it is a polynomial. If no, no, it's not a polynomial, but we have to give the reason. So the definite meaning of polynomial is what it is given, the powers of the variable should be a whole number. Now we will write the reason. So what we will write? Y plus 1 upon y raised to 1 is equal to y plus y raised to minus 1. Okay. So now here the variable y is given. So what we will write now? Y is directly is equal to, we have written, is not a polynomial because the power of the variable, who is the variable, that alphabet is called as variable, of the variable y is minus 1, which is not a whole number. We want the variable's power to be a whole number. So minus 1 is not a whole number, it's a negative integer. Okay, you can say positive integers also, it is fine, but we don't want negative integer. So because the power of the variable y is minus 1 here, which is not a whole number. Second example, if you see 2 minus 5 root x, we have to decide whether it's a polynomial. So now this we can write it as 2 minus 5. Now root x we can write it as x raised to half. Now half is not a whole number. And what is the concept of polynomial? That if the algebraic expression has the powers of the variable should be a whole number. If it's not a whole number, then it's not a polynomial. So half is not a whole number. Followed? So it's a rational number. So what we will write the reason? 2 minus 5 root x is equal to 2 minus 5 x raised to half is not a polynomial. Is not a polynomial because the power of the variable x is half, which is not a whole number. This is the reason. Okay. Now we will move on to the next example. Third example, if you see, very simple, it is x square. So here 2 is the power for the variable x. Here 1 is the power. And 9 we can always write any constant which is given. We can write it as 9 into x raised to 0. X raised to 0 is 1, which is equal to 9 x raised to 0. We can write like this, which is equal to, for your understanding I am explaining you, 7x plus 9x raised to 0 we can write. So this is an algebraic expression, so we can write it like this. In the algebraic expression, in the given algebraic expression, the powers of the variable x are 2, 1, 0. Okay. In the given algebraic expression, the powers of the variable x are 2, 1, 0. 2, 1, 0 are whole numbers. And what you want? You want the powers of the variable to be whole numbers. 2, 1, 0 are whole numbers. Therefore, x square plus 7x plus 9 is a polynomial, because the powers of the variable are whole numbers. Because first we mentioned which are the variables, which are the whole powers, and then we explained that it's a whole number. Then we are writing it again. Is up because the powers of the variable x are whole numbers. This way you can write. Okay. Now we'll move on to the next example. The next example is very simple. Orally also it can be done. 2m raised to minus 2. Fourth example is given. See now, orally you can tell me 2m raised to minus 2 is there. Now minus 2 is a negative integer. It's not a whole number. So can you do this one? 2m raised to minus 2 plus 7m minus 5. So what we will write the reason here? We will write, in the given algebraic expression, the powers of the variable m is minus 2. And minus 2 is not a whole number. Therefore, the given algebraic expression is not a polynomial. Like that you can write. Now minus 2 quickly you can make out. So we will write, in the given algebraic expression, there is no hard and fast rule, any which way you can write. In the given algebraic expression, the power of the variable, who is the variable? M. Variable m is minus 2. Okay. So next line we will write, minus 2 is not a whole number. Okay. Therefore, 2m raised to minus 2 plus 7m minus 5 is not a polynomial. Okay. Because the power of the variable is not a whole number. So this way you can write. Now here the last example given is 10. Now for 10 what you can do, already it's been explained to you. Up only you can see 10 is called as a constant polynomial, and 10 we can write it as like this. 10, we have to tell whether it's a polynomial. Fifth one, see, there are many. Now here in the this only they have given, see, 10 is equal to 10 into 1, which is equal to 10 into x raised to 0, and 0 is a whole number. Therefore the given algebraic expression is a polynomial. So 10 can be written as 10 x raised to 0. So we can write it down. Now you will say, Miss, here term was not given, but according to rule, the law of indices, what it says, a raised to 0 is equal to 1, correct? Same thing we are applying. Okay, I didn't write 10. Here I can write 10 is equal to 1 into 10. Okay, and 1 into 10 or 10 into 1 is 1 and the same. I hope you all are understanding it. So we will write in the, and 10 is a constant polynomial, that is also given. So there is no, as I said, there is no hard and fast rule in the given, and when only a number is given, it is also called as constant. Okay, in the given algebraic expression, the power of, and you should show the variable, the power of the variable x is 0. 0 is a whole number. Therefore, 10 is a polynomial. See, 10 is a polynomial because the power of the variable x is a whole number. And one more reason also can be given, as it is being said in your textbook. You can see here. See, here 6 is given. Okay, and it's been asked, see, 6 are all these are all algebraic expression, but whether they are polynomials or not. So it's been given as 6 is equal to 6 into 1, which is equal to 6 into x raised to 0. Therefore the power of the variable is 0. So it's a polynomial. Followed? So in the algebraic expression, if the powers are whole number, then the algebraic expression is known as polynomial. And remember this, constant polynomial. 0 is, if only a number is given. 6 is also a polynomial. 6 minus 7, half, 0, root 3, etc. are constant numbers. Can be called as constant polynomial. 0 is also a constant polynomial. That also you should know, that they are called as constant polynomial if there is only a number. Okay. But while explaining, justify was given. Justify means we have to give reasons for why we are writing the answers. So I gave you.